Over the years, AutoCAD has really come in leaps and bounds when it comes to your 3D work and including your creating 2D views from 3D. So previously what you do is you'd normally go into your layout and then you would say new view or create a viewport and then obviously position your part from model space and coming in. But what happens if you're using AutoCAD and you have got someone working with you that is using Inventor, or some other 3D package? So on your layout, what we can do is, if you look at, we've got this create view panel over here, it's been around for a while, but it's quite useful if you are the one doing your detailing work and someone else is maybe doing something from Inventor. But as you can see over there, you've got from model space as well. So if you have drawn something up in model space, you can use that as well. So I'm going to say from Inventor because I want to go take a look at for my Inventor part. And I'm going to go and look for an Inventor part over here. So let's go to okay. So here I've got some Inventor assemblies. So let's take a look at this Inventor assembly over here. I'm going to go open that up. So what it does is it goes and generates the component in the background over there, and there we go. So now what you see at the top over here is I've actually got master or default view. So it's actually taking my representation from Inventor and allowing it to put it in over here. Then you can also obviously say front view, so it takes it from the view that's how it was represented in Inventor. So I can say, look, right, let's go and put that in over there. And then when I click on exit, it's allowing me to put my projected view in. So I'm just going to go project the view to the right hand side and then maybe project the view to the bottom right over here. Once I've done that, right click and enter. So if you've ever worked on Inventor before, you'll see that this is actually very similar to how that works. I can now go and select it, and with that middle grip over there, just move it to where I want to. If I select this over here, you'll notice that the two views are linked. So just as in Inventor, these two views are linked as well. If I select this top view over here, as the normal view viewport that you do have in normal AutoCAD, you can go and change your scale. Selecting that, I can also go and edit my view. And with editing view, you'll see there I can go and choose visible lines and hidden lines visible, shaded with visible lines, or shaded with visible and hidden lines. So you can see there it goes and shades my view in for me over there. Other things I've also got, I've got my section views, so full, half, offset, aligned, and from object. So I can go and select the view that I want, and then just like as in Inventor, go and section my view. And there I've got my sectioned view. So this is a very, very nice and quick and easy way just to get your your 2D views down if you are using AutoCAD and you don't have access to Inventor for that. As I said over here, you've also got your detail views, and then you can also edit the view and edit your components as well. Okay, so once again, Autodesk making it very easy for us to be able to integrate the different packages, this one, Inventor and AutoCAD, so that the whole team can play very well together. Thank you very much for watching.